Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to connect headphone in Vivo Y53s phone guys. We want to connect this headphone, so as you can connect it. In this video guys, I will show you how to connect. So let's see how to connect headphone. So I first of all open your phone setting to connect it. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device. On your Bluetooth and guys on your headphones. Click on guys new device. So as you can see your headphone name, then guys which your headphone name guys, only click on your guys headphone name, then guys it will connect in your phone, and guys you can check headphone battery percent also guys, battery 90%. So right now you can use your headphone. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect headphone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like me, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.